In the last 1 month or so, Google has been rocking in the AI space. A couple of weeks back, they launched Gemini 2.5 Pro experimental model, which is excellent at coding, and we've already covered it in this channel. It also released another model, which is the image model, which is Gemini 2.0 Flash image generation experimental model. And this model was great, and this has really changed the game for me, especially for my faceless channels. Creating thumbnails became really easy because it's really good at creating images with accurate text as well. So that's been a game changer. But Google has done something even better. So if you just go to the left side here and click on Video Gen, so now you can create videos in AI Studio for free. Okay, that's just incredible. And on the right side, you can see that it is using VO2, which is Google's video model. And you can create videos in 16:9, which is the landscape version. It can also create 9:16, which is the vertical videos. It can create videos up to 8 seconds, from 5 seconds to 8 seconds. That's good. Right now, we cannot change the frame rate. So it is set to 24 frames per second. Then the resolution is set to 720p, which also cannot be changed at this point in time. It says coming soon, which means we'll be able to change it later on. It also gives you an option to give a negative prompt. Okay, so we're going to try this out in this video. I'm going to just go to Claude, and in Claude, I'll just say, write me a prompt to create a video in VO2 that replicates Tom Cruise's motorbike jump scene from the top of the mountain, make it 8 seconds long. And this is the result I got. I'm just going to copy this prompt from here, and I'm going to copy it and paste it here. Okay, I'm going to make sure that it is 16:9 and then just run it. Okay, so you get this message, your prompt is being queued, your generated video will appear here shortly. So now it takes anywhere from 20 to 30 seconds. That's my experience so far. And for now, it is free. I'm sure there is a limit. I have not yet hit any limit so far, but you can right now create videos for free, at least up to 8 seconds long in Google AI Studio. Okay, so let's check the output. Okay, it seems like it's completed, but I don't think we have the right kind of footage. But anyways, let's do one thing. Let's expand it, go to large view and then play it. Okay, what is going on? There's a bike coming down and another one. Oh my God. Okay, that's funny. That's funny. All right. Okay, they're just, okay. So I'm going to try another prompt, create a detailed prompt for a video with a lot of Indian boys flying kites at the rooftop of a house in a densely populated society. The camera angle should be upwards and moving. And here's the detailed prompt that we have, and I'm just going to copy it. I'm not going to read it. I'll just paste it here and see. Generally, Google is not very happy with anything with kids. So let's see if it will run at all. All right, so it failed to generate the videos. Okay, let's do one thing. Instead of boys, let's say Indian men, and see if that works. So I'm just going to copy it, go to AI Studio. I will delete this and paste it here. I'm just going to get rid of this one, audio elements. Okay, and run it. It seems like it's running, which means that you give a prompt with anything with regards to kids, it's not going to take it. Okay, so keep that in mind when giving prompts. Okay, it's done. Okay, so it seems like it's a rooftop scene, and let's see. All right, and there is a camera movement, which is nice. It's upwards. The quality is a little low, but great. It has taken the prompt and created it. So here's the thing. Don't give any prompts with any reference to kids. It will not take that prompt. Okay. So I just wanted to quickly cover this. I'm sure a lot of people will be very much interested in creating videos, and when it is free, even better. So even if we are getting some kind of 5 seconds or 8 seconds of videos, if it's free and we are able to generate that, it's very, very helpful. especially for people who have some kind of faceless YouTube channels or other social media platforms. So if you create content, this might really be helpful for using it as some kind of B-roll or whatever. So I just want to really cover this. And if you want to watch more content like this, more on AI coding, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.